Hey guys, let's keep it going with Millard's 7.2 example 1. So in part G, 25 over 49 to the negative 1/2 power. So the first thing I need to do is reciprocate that. 49 over 25 to the positive 1/2 power. Now, 1/2 is just square root of 49 over 25, which is 7/5. Once again, negative exponents. I make it positive by doing the reciprocal. So this is the third root of 27 over 8 squared. Well, the third root of 27 is 3. The third root of 8 is 2. And now I can square both of those. 3 squared is 9. 2 squared is 4. Okay, here we have negative exponents written in a little bit of a different way. So now I have negative exponents on my denominator. So I'm going to take this whole power here and move it to my numerator. It's the same as reciprocating. So that'll become 36 to the positive 1/2, which is the square root of 36, which is 6. Same thing with 81 to the negative 3/4. To make it positive, I move it up to the numerator. So this moved up to the top. This is moving up to the top to make 81 to the positive 3/4, which is the fourth root of 81 cubed. The fourth root of 81 is 3, and 3 cubed is 27. Okay, let's go into K now. Negative 8 to the 2/3. Now remember that negative is not being raised to the power unless it's in parentheses. So I know my answer is going to be negative cube root of 8 squared. Well, the cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So my answer is negative 4. Okay, here we go. We have another negative exponent. This one is, I can make a fraction by putting it over 1. Reciprocate it. I have 1 over 125 to the 1/3 power. That is the cube root of 1 over 125. The cube root of 1 is 1, and the cube root of 125 is 5. Now the negative 27, the negative is part of the 27 being raised to this power. I put this over 1 and reciprocate it. So this becomes 1 over negative 27 to the positive 2/3 power. So this is the cube root of 1 over negative 27 squared. Well, the cube root of 1 is 1, and the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3 squared. 1 squared is 1, and negative 3 squared is 9. Last one here, negative 144. Let's see, that's going to be the square root of negative 144 to the 3rd power. Let's see, the square root of negative 144 is 12i. And now I'm going to cube that. 12 cubed, let me just make sure I get this right. 12 cubed is 1,728i cubed. For those of you who remember simplifying powers of I, 1728 I times I squared. And remember that I squared is negative 1, so this becomes negative 1728 I. Now, if you had your answer here, I would take that too, but this is a completely simplified I. All right, we'll try these in class tomorrow.